This is the quick release plate QRP1 from ARRI. It's the new product here at NAB 2014, and it's the perfect companion for the ARRI mirror. But it also fits to all standard broadcast cameras, as well as the broadcast plate for the Sony F5 and the 55, which we are offering from ARRI PCA. It's a one-click system, really a quick lock system. You can see it here. Clack, you're ready to go. The other new product we have are shoulder belt adapters. You can see them here in the back, here in the front, and they will fit to all our interfaces we have. 3 8-inch, 16-inch threads, and you just use a standard shoulder belt, click it in like this, and you see you're ready to go. Bye-bye.